Alrighty, now welcome back. We are now joined by John Acevedo, who is the Director of Education at CAN, which is the Community AIDS Network. And today is HIV National Testing Day, so we appreciate you taking some time today to join us here on the Morning Edition. Absolutely. So we're just going to interview him and have a little bit of questions about HIV testing. So, you know, we don't hear much about HIV nowadays. How prevalent is it in the state of Florida?
The state of Florida right now is ranked number 3 in the country,
really?
But number 1 in newly diagnosed cases. So we're still seeing record numbers of newly diagnosed individuals in the state of Florida as well as nationally.
What about, how do we fare in the Sun Coast? How does our little
in the Sun Coast, well, I'd say here in Sarasota, we have about 1,500 cases diagnosed. With those that we don't know of, those are the ones that we want to be out there trying to get them to come in and encourage them to get tested.
What prevents most people from getting to, what is it? Is it the fear of don't, because we all know most folks know once you do get tested, it's the medication that can just, you live a normal life. You know, you can just, but if you don't get tested and you are diagnosed after the fact, that's when the problems happen.
Well, that's the problem, that people fear the knowing. If they know that they're HIV positive, then they have to think about it. If they don't know, then they just can continue on with their normal day-to-day life, and unfortunately, in their way of thinking, they put others at risk.
Right. And they're hurting themselves.
Correct.
Yeah. Now, who should get tested for HIV, and why?
Well, CDC recommends that everyone between the age of 13 to 64 get tested at least once for normal health. However, individuals that are engaging in higher risk behaviors, those individuals should test more frequently so that they know just in case they put themselves at risk.
And it's just a blood test. It's just right?
Correct. Now, actually, we're now with new advancements, a finger prick.
Oh, wow.
15 minutes later, you'll have a result.
Minutes.
Correct.
I know, I can speak to the fear a little bit though. I know as when you're pregnant, it's one of the tests that you have to undergo. And I thought, okay, there's probably little to no chance. You never know though that this could be. But waiting for those results, let me tell you, it is a fear because, you know, yes, it's the sometimes when you don't know, you think you're okay, but knowing is so much better.
Correct.
Yeah.
And then, you know, and sometimes in the past we used to do tests that it would take 2 to 3 weeks. Sometimes for confirmatory tests, 2 to 3 weeks, they still have to wait to confirm a rapid test if they were reactive.
Okay.
So yes, it is lots of anxiety, waiting, and we get individuals calling every single day wanting to know if their results are in. But you know, the more you test, especially if you're putting yourself at risk, the better you know, because if you if you are infected, you can get into care immediately.
Yeah. Now we're going to shift gears a little bit here while we have you here,
Yes.
John. We've been talking about this on the Morning Edition, my participation in the Can Dance 2017.
Yes.
We have some exclusive footage here of my practice yesterday. We want to check you out. Look at this footwork. Look at that presentation I got going on. This is my second practice, right back in like I'm a professional right here. Look at this footwork. My dancing shoes, my footwork here is...
That is impressive.
1, 3, 4. Look, I even hear. But it's my wonderful dancing partner, Sarah Hayworth, at the Dynasty Dance over there in Sarasota on Main Street. I hear her voice in my left ear as I'm doing this. You can see I'm having a ball doing this, by the way. This is so much fun. I'm so excited.
It is an awesome event that we put on every single year. We enjoy having it, as well as the community coming out and enjoying it as well. It's an awesome, and you're going to do great.
Oh, I'm pumped. You can see there, I got a step ahead.
What does this competition look like? What do you think?
Well, you know, it's everyone, you know, a novice at dancing, you know, once the professionals get out there and mold you.
Yeah.
I'm sure,
fine-tune my skills.
I'm sure that you'll be a professional when the day comes.
It's a ball. I have to tell you that I'm having so much fun thus far. It was only my second practice.
And what a great event for CAN, so that's wonderful.
Yes.
We're going to talk more about it though in
Yeah.
the next, we're going to bring you back in the next half an hour, so we have much more to talk about.
Okay.
We're very excited. So.
Thank you.
All right, we'll be right back after this.